Craving something sweet but counting calories? The struggle is real, but you don't have to give up dessert to stay on track. Today I'm counting down 7 totally delicious desserts, each one just 100 calories or less. At number 1, it's a classic chocolate-dipped strawberries. All you need are fresh strawberries and a little bit of dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate, dip those juicy strawberries, let them set, and boom, sweet, tangy, and chocolatey, all for under 100 calories. Pro tip, let them chill in the fridge for that extra crunch. Coming in at number 2, mini fruit parfaits. Layer non-fat Greek yogurt, some mixed berries, and a sprinkle of crunchy granola. It's creamy, fresh, and only takes a minute to put together. Plus, the colors are Instagram worthy. Don't forget to keep your layers thin for that calorie count. Number 3, banana ice cream. Just slice up a ripe banana, freeze it, then blend until smooth. That's it. Super creamy, naturally sweet ice cream. No extra sugar, no dairy, just pure banana bliss. Add a dash of cocoa powder for a chocolate kick if you like. Next up, rice cake with nut butter and berries. Grab a plain rice cake, spread on a thin layer of your favorite nut butter, almond, peanut you choose. Then top with a handful of fresh berries. Crunchy, sweet, and packed with fiber. Just be mindful of the nut butter amount to keep it at 100 calories. Number 5, Greek yogurt with honey and cinnamon. Scoop out half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, drizzle on a teaspoon of honey, and sprinkle with cinnamon. This combo is creamy, satisfying, and gives you a protein boost to help you stay full. Stir it up and you're good to go. And let's not forget dark chocolate squares. 2 small squares of dark chocolate, about 70% cacao, are just enough to crush those chocolate cravings and stick to your goals. Slow down, savor every bite, and enjoy the moment. So there you have it, desserts you can enjoy every day, no guilt required. Which one are you going to try first? If you love these ideas, hit like, share with your fellow sweet tooths, and subscribe for more healthy sweet treats coming your way. Indulge guilt-free because dessert should always be on the menu.